In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. If you ever want to enable disappearing message on Instagram, this is how you can do it. First, open the Instagram application. Once opened, you want to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. You want to go to the chat that you want to turn on vanish mode for. Now, once on the chat screen, there are two ways you can do it. You can do it with a gesture, or you can go to the settings section of the profile. The gesture is the easiest way to do this, and on your chat screen, you want to swipe from the bottom to the top. This will enable disappearing messages. This is what happens when you turn on vanish mode. Any conversation you've recently had in the past are not going to be deleted, but once you have vanish mode enabled, once you leave the chat screen and come back to the chat screen, all the conversations will be deleted. The sent messages will disappear when you close the chat, and you can easily leave the vanish mode by performing the same gesture. The second way you can enable vanish mode is to tap on the name of the profile, and then here you're going to see privacy and safety. Tap on this and you see vanish mode. You can toggle it on in this section for the profile. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to turn on vanish mode on Instagram, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.